may say, why is that lunatic talking to us about a winter apple and it's the middle of summer in the southern hemisphere? But we're not talking about a tree, we're talking about a ground cover. So come down here with me. On this ground cover here, this string that looks like a piece of runner grass, these little red berries here is the winter apple, hence named because it looks like a miniature apple. You're basically eating the skin off it, and it's nice, it's sweet, but it's pretty much all seed, and all you're eating is a tiny little bit of fruit and mostly just skin. A very tasty little bush tucker if you wait till it's ripened. If you eat it when it's still green, like these ones here, it's actually quite bitter.